wonder if I miscounted. Well, the weather has really turned ugly. But here's what we're working on today. Building shelves like this. Got holes drilled in the edge of a 2x4 and they're slabbed onto the existing 2x4s in this shed. I'm going to replace these sagging wood brackets over here. That's also a good way to do this, but it has the disadvantage of they take up a certain amount of space for your shelving with the bracket. That's about double the pipe, and they're not very strong. They're not near as strong as the pipe, but as you can see, they're sagging there. To make them strong, you could make 4-inch ones and even make them tapered, but they still cut into your storage area. And I'm going to make more frequent bars on the bottom so that I can take full advantage and put my steel over there. The steel I got stored here is it doesn't require a lot of depth this way, and I want to take better advantage of the space. Well, behind my wood shed here I got some 2x4s. Hopefully I got enough. Okay, I've got all my 2x4s clamped up square there, and I'm starting 4 inches from the bottom. That'll give enough strength for that bottom shelf to be supported. And I went 13 inches spacing, and then I'm going to divide each 13-inch one in half. That'll give me about 5 inches between the shelves for my metal. And then up here I got a couple of big shelves for more wood. So, but you can lay these out however you want. Okay, I've done this before, and this pipe is an odd size on the outside. It's 847 thousandths. And I have ground a 7/8 spade bit, just a little bit narrow. And I had this left in my drill storage, and I want to make sure it's the right drill, so I'm going to make a test here. I've got a block set up right here to put a slight angle on that. Need to set my depth too. I need to set that at 2.5. It's actually a perfect fit. I remembered that driving in there really hard. But that's okay. Slip fit's okay as long as it's a good fit. It's a really good fit. And I got that 2.5 inches down. And there's a very slight angle. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. That'll compensate for any kind of sag and also make my round stock for steel stay on the shelf. Well, I got all the wood removed and the shelf brackets removed. Got it all stacked over on this side. That's a lot of moving, a lot of heavy wood. Right now I'm just putting up the 2x4s to the side of these other 2x4s and holding them with a clamp, and then I'll come back and drill them and put carriage bolts through them. Well, there it is. I got it all loaded up yesterday. It was 63 yesterday and 23 today. Pretty darn cold. Big drop for 12 hours. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and be sure to subscribe and ring that bell.